people think that I have a large number of books with me, but that's not the truth. I don't have a large number of books with me. I have a limited quantity of books with me. So, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, how messy my bookshelf looks. So today, we are going to reorganize my bookshelf, and I'm going to show that how much books I have with me, as I don't have a large bundle of books with me. That people have assumption of me having a large number of books, which is okay because I have pages on Instagram of mine. One is for writing and one of books, and then I also have a YouTube channel. So people have that assumption that I have a large number of books and my bookshelf is all filled with books, but that's not really the truth. So now today I am going to reorganize my bookshelf with you guys and also show you guys how much books I have and how I organize and where I write my reviews and what type of registers I have in which I write my content and etc. So right now I'm going to start cleaning my bookshelf and organizing it and showing you guys how much books I have with me. So let's start.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just.
I'm going to first clean these books. Then I'm going to show you the books that I have bought together and the books I have already read. You guys have already know which books I have read, as I always do a review video of it on my page on YouTube and post a review on the YouTube channel too. But still, I'm show you guys. There are some of the books that I have already given to someone, or I'd say two books are with my best friend and one book is with my professor of college that I'm soon going to get from my professor, and I don't know when I will get my books from my best friend. Even there are some of the books in which that I have written my content, and the books that I have published too or compiled. I got money from my books too. People spend money on books, where I get money from books. Let me first clean all the books and then I organize them in a way that I want it. I have a large number of books which I haven't read till now. There are in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are 17 books I have till now, and three of the books are one of my professors and one of my best friend. So there in total 20 books I have, and these are the books that I didn't count it are the books that I have worked in as a co-author and I have compiled and I have published. There are two books in which I have published as an author. So I didn't count these books, but these books are the ones that I have bought. So some of the books that I have bought together in a home. Together, like my first purchase of books together that I have bought with me are these books. Are these books that I have first purchased. Like my first purchase of books is of these books that I had. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 books that are my first purchase of books that I have bought in a stock from one of the websites, of which I have did an unboxing video too. And if you haven't seen that video, go and watch it. And from these books, I have read, I think, only 3 books. No, only 2 books I have read till now. These two books I have read till now from these, and I have also posted a review of these 2 books on my writing page and also on my YouTube channel. So you can go and watch a review of these 2 books. And I have started once I have started reading this book, The Newlyweds by Jen Costello. But then I stopped reading it because I bought new books and I get involved in those books. So I stopped in mid this book. And before this book, I have also started reading Monday by David Nichols. But also because of some reason, I have stopped reading it. I have to start reading these books again. But let's see if I start reading or not. Because I again bought new books, 2 books. One is already with me. So these books are my first purchases that I have bought. Then I have bought 4 books that also I have done a video of it together. Okay, so I have 2 books of it and 2 books are with my best friend. So 2 books is a series of Colleen Hoover, and one book, the 2 books that my best friend has is one is The Love Hypothesis and one is The Spanish Love Deception that she is reading. So these 2 books I bought together. These 4 books I bought together in a combo. Then I bought these 3 books. That one is Everything is for Love. Then it is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. Then there is The Alchemist, which I haven't read till now, and this purchase is I have done is when I was not feeling good, so I wanted to feel good and energetic, and that's when I saw the review of these 3 books and start reading it. And now after reading this, like I have read one part of it, and the second part I haven't read it, and it's been a year, more than a year, I can say it. And after reading this book, I know for me, educational books like these are not meant. I can't read them. It's very hard for me. So these are the 3 books that I bought together in a combo. Then there is this, The Fog of the Year in the Year series books I have bought. So I have the Wicked King book and the Queen of Nothing book. The Cruel Prince book, the first book of the series, is with my mom that she is reading, and currently I have finished the second book, The Wicked King. If you want to know the review of it, then go and check my book page, that is Book Muses, and there you will get the review of it. And now I'm going to start this book, The Queen of Nothing. So I bought this series then, and now I bought this book and the other book. But so these are the purchases I have. My bookshelf has a lot of space for books, so if you want to give me book, I won't mind at all. Just joking, but if you take it seriously, then also you can send me a really good romance genre book. I won't mind reading it. So, as you can see, these books will not take the whole space of my bookshelf, as my bookshelf is really big. I have a lot of space. So, to utilize this space, and also I do a lot of writing work too, as I'm a writer too. So, I have different registers related to different things. Now, I'll show you guys. So, I have these registers with me that I have decorated and wrote things for which these registers are. So, first register is for writing. As you can see, this register is for writing. I write anthology or Instagram content in it, and sometimes I also write in laptop or phone, whichever is suitable. Then there is a book review register of mine where I write book reviews. I write review in it and then I post it on social media. Then there is a story register where I write stories. Then there is a page which doesn't have a title or which doesn't have a cover, because this is a register which I take with me everywhere, so that if I get a new idea, I can just write it down in it and then later use that idea. Then there is a register for blogs. As you all guys know that I start writing blogs with my friend, but from a long time we haven't wrote any blog, but now we are searching for some new content to write blog. So this is for that. I write blog in this whenever I want to, and then I just have to send a pic of him to him, and then he do that typing work all by himself. So I got a little free very early by just writing the blog in it. Then I also have a dated planner for which I have made a video like a month, and this is the book diary which I also have shown to you guys, in which I wrote my days. So here it is. So let's start organizing all this. This is the box in which I have put it some good thoughts, good affirmation, so that I can, whenever I feel low, I can read them and start feeling good and start feeling strength. These are the cards that I have shown you before too when I was unboxing my dated planner, and these are the small book and a sticker book that I have bought.
What you wanna say to me now?
This is the box where I put all the markers, annotation markers that I have, so that I can get them easily and can annotate easily. This is my pen holder. I have a lot of bookmarks, as you can see. As you can see, I have a lot of space in my bookshelf, so I bought these cute teddy bears. I have in this, it's a rabbit. I'll show you guys. See, it looks so cute, but I have put it like it came like this, but I also have put it so that it doesn't get dirty, as it's white color. So as I have a lot of space in my bookshelf, so I put these things so that my bookshelf doesn't look really vacant type. So this is how my bookshelf looks like, and this is all the video is all about. To have read some new books that you should recommend me, then do also recommend me those books. I'll try to read those books and I'll purchase it. And do tell me in the comment section how you liked my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please. Thank you guys. Meet you later.